What do you say? These are still working, you know. I used to hear when I came out and all these very high young girl voices, "We love you, Ringo." And as the years have gone by, I hear, "We love you, Ringo." So I'm going to take you underwater again with, I want to, oh, you know what I've got to do? I've got to introduce the band with the great Colin Hay. Amy Stewart. Buck Johnson. Steve Lukather. Warren Ham. And holding us all together, Greg Bissonnet. Well, so I don't feel left out. What's my name? Oh, thank you and good night. You have to drag me off. And, okay, well, let's kick it in. Octopus is golden.